Okay, welcome back. So still on WhatsApp automation. So we are going to talk about auto reply app. I told you we are going to start treating the apps one after the other. How to use the apps, okay? So auto reply app. So an auto reply app is a mobile application that allows you to automatically respond to incoming messages, calls, or notification on various messaging platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, Telegram, SMS. Some apps enables you to create custom automated responses that are sent out when you are busy, driving, sleeping, or unavailable. So this auto reply app will help you on WhatsApp because we are concentrating on WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, it helps you to send a message when somebody chats you on WhatsApp. Actually, the WhatsApp can also do the same thing. Now, I introduced you to um, WhatsApp greeting message, right? WhatsApp greeting message. I've introduced you to it. So this is similar to a greeting message, but I told you that when I was using the greeting message, I noticed that sometimes when my phone is not active, if somebody chats me, the greeting message doesn't drop. It doesn't reply the person. Okay, so when I started using auto reply app, I found out that it's more effective. So it drops immediately the person chats you, whether your phone is active or not. So it's quite helpful. It's quite helpful. And the good thing is that it's free to use. Okay, it's free to use. But when an app is free, sometimes you might see advert while using the app. So why I'm using the app, if you see advert, you understand that this is a free plan. They might have paid plan. I've not checked though. I've not really checked. Okay. Some other apps I'm going to introduce to you, some of them are not free. Some have free and paid plan though. Okay. So now let's look at how to use auto reply. Let's look at how to use it. So to use auto reply, this is my phone. Okay. So let's do it. You have to first go to Play Store and install auto reply. I've done that already, but in case if you don't know how to do that, just go to your Play Store, look for this app in your phone. I know you already know how if you're using Android, you know how to use it. I don't know if iOS has it. I mean iPhone. I don't know if they have this app. You also check if you find it in App Store. You can also install it. So the steps will not be quite difficult to, as the steps to use it in Android and iOS. I believe it will be the same way, it will be the same steps. Okay, so you are in Play Store now. Then you can search for the app. Okay, now let's search for the app. Let's say auto reply app. Auto reply app. Okay, auto reply app. Let's see. So you see that here? That's the auto reply app here. See other automation apps like autoresponder. It's also here. Okay, now you can click on it, then you install it. With me, you see I've installed it, then I can open it from here. You understand? Because I've installed it, I don't have to install it again. You understand? So that's for the Play Store, right? But let's use it here. So if you look at here, see that I grouped the apps I use most frequently. I grouped them in one place here for easy access. Okay, good. So I'll go to auto reply. Where is it? This is it here, auto reply. I'll open it. Yes. So you see that we have, oh sorry, it's all this advert. Please, this is an advert, so you don't judge me, I beg. Okay, this is an advert of an app, so let me close it. I don't appreciate this kind of advert. There's nothing I can do. I'm using a free plan, so don't judge me. Okay, it's not my video. Yeah, that's said. Okay, so let's continue. Now we are here. So because I'm using this app already, so you're going to see some automation I've set up already. The only active automation here is this one that has green here. The others with red are not active. I deactivated them. You understand? Good. But this one is active. Okay. I will come back to explain to you the content of this art. Okay, but let me just show you how to create your own automation. First of all, you make sure that auto reply is on. If it is off, you put it on. Do you understand me? So that's number one. Okay, then number two is, then you come down here, you see this plus, this button plus sign, just click on it. Great. Okay, then you decide the WhatsApp type you want to use. You know, there are so many apps that you can use to do WhatsApp. You can use official WhatsApp app, which is what I mean, either you use your personal WhatsApp or use your business WhatsApp business. These two are what I'm recommending. Okay, so if you're using your business WhatsApp for your business, which is what you're supposed to be using, then you click here. If you're using your personal WhatsApp, then you click here. Okay, good. For the automation, then if you're using WhatsApp GB, WhatsApp OG, use it, but I don't recommend this one because sometimes WhatsApp can actually ban your account when they realize that you're using other apps that are not built by WhatsApp. So it may result to banning your app. You understand me? Your account. So to avoid banning your account, please use either official WhatsApp or WhatsApp business. Then here you are going to specify a message that will drop. This is another advantage of using this app. You know, if you're using WhatsApp auto reply, you don't have a place where you're going to specify a message that will drop, that will necessitate the WhatsApp to reply. Greeting text in normal WhatsApp, as in WhatsApp business, the greeting text there or greeting message there drops when maybe someone that has never chatted you chats you. It will drop. It doesn't matter the message the person sent. Okay, but if you want a situation whereby when somebody drops a particular message, whether the person has chatted you before or not, as long as he sent you a particular message or a message similar to that message, then once the message drops on WhatsApp, then the message you organized will be sent to the person, as in the message you've prepared will be sent to the person automatically. So this will help you a lot in your online marketing. For example, I'm going to use my own as an example anyway, but let me just say you add training. So you are running ad, and your audience, people, your prospect, you tell them in your landing page to send training to your WhatsApp, to chat you on WhatsApp and send training. Let's say you are running ad and you are sharing a free ebook. You are giving out free ebook to your prospects, and those that need the ebook, you want them to chat you on WhatsApp. But when they chat you, that they should send the word training to you. You understand? So the instruction in the landing page should be send the word training to my number, to my WhatsApp number. Okay, maybe you can drop. There are two strategies you might consider using. In that your landing page, if you don't know what landing page is, don't worry. Landing page is just a website or a page, an online page online, where people can see more information about you. I will tell you how to build it in this course, because I created an app that will help you to build a landing page fast. Okay, so you can build it, then you tell people what to do. They can chat you on WhatsApp, can tell them in that landing page. You can even make a video and upload where you explain everything about the ebook, and tell them if you need the ebook, then save my number. This one is actually a good one. You can tell them save my number, then you drop your number below the video in the landing page. Save my number and chat me on WhatsApp. If you do this, it's a good strategy. Anybody that chats you on WhatsApp, you know already that the person has saved your number before. Anybody that send you training, as in once you see training on WhatsApp, then you know that the person has already saved your number. You won't have to tell them to save your number again because you already know. Because for them to chat you, they have saved your number. You understand me? Because you told them you dropped your number and told them to save and chat you. Okay. Another option is, if you want to make it a bit easier for them but a bit difficult for yourself, is you create a button. In that button in the landing page, you link your WhatsApp, which I'm going to show you how to do later in this course. Okay, you link your WhatsApp number. Okay, you link it to that button so that when they chat you, okay, when they click on the button, it will open your WhatsApp chat. You understand? So that one is easier for them. They won't have to be taking. It won't take them time to. I mean, saving number and chatting on WhatsApp might take time, but just clicking on a button and chatting the person on WhatsApp is easier and straightforward. I hope you understand. So that is it. So it's these two options will work. But when somebody, if you dropped a button for them to click and chat you, it means that you have to drop in your message, you have to tell them to save your number when they chat you. Once they chat you, you tell them immediately to save your number, because you know that they have not saved your number before chatting you. I believe I'm communicating. So these two, this, right? I've used these tools, and I've used these two, and all of them, they have their advantages and disadvantages. One advantage of telling them to click on a button to chat you on WhatsApp is that it will encourage many of them to chat you. Okay, because some people wouldn't want to. When you tell some people to save your number to chat you, people want something fast. So saving number might take time, and if they don't really need that thing so much, they will not save. They will just leave. Do you understand? But clicking on a button, pressing on a button to chat somebody straight away is easy and straightforward. So a lot of people will take that one. So that's the advantage of that. But the advantage of telling people to save your number to chat you is that when somebody saves your number to chat you, it shows that the person is really interested. Do you get me? So it will bring to you people that are very much interested. Secondly, it will it will remove the stress of you telling them to save your number again when they chat you. So you know that once they chat you, the only stress you have is you saving their own number, because you're already sure that they have saved your number. Okay, I've used these two strategies. They all work. It depends on what you want. So I'm giving you options. So that's by the way. So let's say that if they type in training and send, good. Then the next thing you have to consider is these options. So there are many options here. This one content, it means if the message they sent contains training. Some people, if you tell them to send training, they will send training, but they will maybe add something to it. They might say good morning and send training. You understand? And they will say, you told me to send training. Something like that. Some people might not just send training, say just type training and send. They might add something to it and send. So if you want whatever they are sending, once it contains training, that let the message drop, then you now put contents. But if you want it to be exact match, like training, let it be training and nothing else. If they add anything to this training, it shouldn't drop. They click on exact match. Okay. I've not really studied this to know what it is. Maybe you take your time to study that. Okay. I think maybe it might be, but this exact match and this one seem to be confusing me. But I think what I use much is I use this one and this one. Okay, this one similarity match. Okay. But you see, this one starts with, that is if it starts with training. Okay, end with if it ends with training. Ignore case. Now this one will ignore capital, whether it's capital or not, as long as it is training, whether they put it in capital or not, it will ignore it. But this content will take care of this too. Okay, that ignore case. Okay, but you are going to just choose one. Okay. Then this similarity matches if maybe what they type, maybe sometimes when they are typing training, they might make mistakes, they might not spell it correctly. Okay, so if you want it, once it is similar, to this training. Once whatever they type is similar to the training, let it drop. You can now adjust your similarity threshold. Okay, so how similar it's going to be before it drops. Okay, if you want it to be very similar, then you can drag it towards 100%. Otherwise, you leave it at the center. Okay, good. So if what they type, maybe they made mistakes, it's not really exactly like training, then similarity, I mean, this is similarity match will work. Okay, once it is close to 20, maybe they made spelling mistakes, it will still drop. Here now, this is where you're going to type in the message you want. Okay, I think I've introduced you to that message before. Then let me type it quickly. You are welcome. You're welcome to Heroic Academy. Heroic Academy. My name my name is Ushijo. I'm an ICT. I'm a software. Okay. Software developer and an ICT training and trainer. Okay, I'm a software developer. I teach people. I train people online on ICT skills. Yeah, ICT skills. Okay. And then you now ask him, do you mind telling me your name? So the reason you are asking is for you to save their number with their name. You understand? So that's why you're asking them to tell you their name. Okay. Then you can now tell them, kindly save my numbers. If you want them to save more than one number, you put the number. Okay. So maybe you can put +234. If you are dealing with people that are not from your country, put the country code. Okay, let me put +234 80 377 Then you put comma and add another number, but let me make do with this one. Okay, let me make do with this number. Okay, then you now put the call to action, another call to action. Click the link, or you can say, after saving the number, after saving my numbers, click the link below to start the free training. Then you now drop the link below. Okay, maybe let me just drop Heroic https://www.heroicuniversal.com/academy. Maybe this is a link. So this has become this is now the reply. So when somebody sends you training, this message will drop. I hope you get it. You can also use content. Sometimes I use content so that once whatever they are sending me contains training, it will drop. But just know the disadvantage of this one is that if somebody sends you maybe somebody else that is not really interested in your free training sends you good afternoons, I'm interested in learning in knowing more about your training. Once training enters, it drops immediately. Do you understand me? It drops immediately. You're welcome to Ushijo. Do you want saving my number? Which is still okay. It's still okay. So I think it will work if you use content or similarity match. Whichever one, similarity match or content will be fine, right? Good. Just test them. You know which one works better for you. Okay. I don't really touch all these ones. I don't touch it. Maybe you can study them to know more about them if you want to. Okay. Then delay. Now this is where I want us to concentrate now. Delay in seconds. Okay, here you enter the minimum seconds or maximum seconds. Let me enter maximum seconds. You mustn't enter both. Maximum seconds. The seconds it will not pass. Let's say 3 seconds. that it will drop after 3 seconds, or before 3 seconds, sorry. Before 3 seconds that it will drop. So in 3 seconds maximum, it will, the message, once somebody sends that training in 3 seconds, as in 1 2, bam, the message will drop. Okay, so you don't have to make it to drop immediately the person is dropping, because it will look like automation. You wouldn't want them to know that it's automation. You want them to feel like it's somebody, as in you're the one sending it to them. It will be easier for them to react to whatever information you are giving them. Okay, then the price, to just leave all this one the way it is, the way they are. And I think we are done with this. We are done. I think the most important part's done. If you want to know more about this, then you can now go ahead and study. But I think with these ones I've taught you, you are good to go with automation. Okay, then you can now save it. You can just save. You save. So you see another advert appears. Okay, so we skip the advert because it's not really what we want. So that's the, what do you call it? Okay, the price we pay for using free app. Okay. If you don't want this to appear, what do? You pay for a paid version of it, right? Yes. It doesn't want to skip. Okay, that's skip. It's not skipping it. Okay, you see, message rule saved successfully. So you've been able to save your automation. So when somebody chats you now and they drop training, it will drop. You see it here. You see it. So it's active now. Somebody sent training. You see, I've done this before. You see training here, but I have to deactivate. I have to disable it. Okay, good. So that is it. Sorry. Let's open it again. Sorry. Okay. So if you want to deactivate it, just click on top of this. It will deactivate. If we click on it again, it will activate. You understand? So I have to deactivate it so that when somebody sends training, it will not drop. Okay, I don't really want it to drop. Okay, now this is the one that is active now. Let's study it. Let's see. Let's study it. If you are running normal WhatsApp chats, normal WhatsApp ad, this is a message that normally drops when they click on the button to chat you from social media. This message will automatically drop. Okay, hello, can I get more info on this? So most people that will chat you from social media, this is the message you are going to receive from them. If you are using WhatsApp chat, others might chat you and say hi, hello. They are going to be very few that will do that one. Those ones you can drop the message manually for them. But majority, about 90 or more than 90% of the people, this message will drop. As long as that it's WhatsApp chat, it's WhatsApp ad that you are running. Okay, so that was why I had to copy the message and put it here. So that anytime this message drops, then you see that I use similarity match here, it's 50%. Then this message will drop for them. You're welcome to Heroic Universal Academy. I'm Joe. Do you mind telling me your name? Kindly save my number, my Nigerian number, my Ghana number. Then click the link below to start the free training. Simple. You understand? So if you watch, see that I made this very brief before, because I know that people are not really good at reading long information, especially if the information is not story. If it's a serious information, once it's lengthy, they will get tired of it. Okay, so you see the similarity match. Okay, the delay in seconds, that's the minimum seconds is 3 seconds, maximum is 5 seconds. Okay, so it will drop between 3 and 5 seconds. Okay, and that's all. That's all. Then you save it. Okay. So that is auto reply and how it works. All right, so if somebody chats you, the message will drop. Okay, so it's very straightforward. Thank you so much.